welcome to Opening Doors. I'm Mortgage Pro John, bringing you a market update as we're about to close out the first month of 2022. Being our first video of the year, Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you're all sticking with your New Year's resolutions. Dream big, and don't let anyone tell you it can't be done. Don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get you answers. So let's talk about it. Rates are going up, and we have already seen them start to move over the past few weeks. So what does this mean for home buyers? If this is the year you buy your first home, start the pre-approval process now so you are ready for the spring market. Inventory is very low right now, and you want to be as prepared as possible for when more houses start to pop up. If you are currently pre-approved and haven't been able to land a home over the past few months, make sure you touch base with myself or your loan officer to update your pre-approval. Even a raise of 0.25% could change how much you qualify for. As rates continue to increase with the already high home values, affordability will start to go down. This will cause the climbing home values to start leveling out. If you're a seller in this market, it's so important to be as vigilant as possible when getting offers on your home. With rates moving every other day, you're going to want to start to make sure that the pre-approvals are current when getting offers on your home. Check those dates, and it won't hurt to have your real estate agent reach out to the lender to check for validity. Contracts are falling through at record highs over buyer financing. Another thing would be to get your home in the best shape for selling. Finish all the odds and ends that have been lingering and make as many updates as possible within budget. Homeowners are seeing their biggest returns on improvements in years. It could be the difference between selling your home over listing in just a couple days versus sitting on the market for a month. And lastly, in 2022, if this is your year to buy a second home, Fannie Mae is tacking on major pricing adjustments, meaning rates are going way up on second homes. So if you're already pre-approved for a second home, touch base with your loan officer to get that updated to make sure you still qualify. Lots more to come this year. Thank you all for your continued support. I'm Mortgage Pro John with Opening Doors, where buying a home is more than just a dream.